Okay, in last class we studied concept of cells, subcells, orbitals, and also we have learned how to calculate number of subcells, how to calculate number of orbitals, and how to calculate total number of electrons present in the orbitals. So those formulas we studied. Today I am going to explain the following topic in atomic structure. What is that? Electronic configuration. Keep the heading electronic configuration. Electronic configuration. You write the heading electronic configuration. So in order to understand the electronic configuration, or you want to write the electronic configuration at your lower level, first of all you have an idea about some basic terms. What is that? You are going to learn valence cell. So first of all you want to learn what is valence cell. Valence cell. This is also called ultimate cell. This is also called ultimate cell. And after valence cell, we are going to learn what is penultimate cell and also anti-penultimate cell. So I will explain each and every term one by one. Listen carefully. So first of all, you want to study and understand the valence cell in atomic structure. What is valence cell? How can you find out the valence cell? So see, so far I have been explaining the center part of the atom is nucleus. You know very well. Center part of the atom is nucleus. So around nucleus there are cells. There are cells like this. There are around the nucleus there are different cells. Okay. See the last cell. This is called what? Last cell. Last cell. This is called last cell. So last cell we call as valence cell. This is called valence cell. And also valence cell also called ultimate cell. Ultimate cell. Ultimate cell. It is represented as N. This is called what? N. So that means nth cell. Simply last cell means what is the last cell? Nth cell. Nth cell. Nth cell is called last cell. Last cell we consider as we call as valence cell, and also another name that is ultimate cell. You write down this. Write down. You draw this structure, atomic structure. So I give you definition for valence cell. After drawing the structure, you can write the definition. The last cell is also called orbit. Orbit. The last cell. The last cell or nth cell. Last cell is also called nth cell of an atom. Of an atom. Of an atom. Of an atom is called valence cell. Is called valence cell. That is also called nth cell. So the last cell or nth cell. Actually, last cell it is represented with letter N, English letter small n, of an atom, which is called what? Valence cell. See the electrons present in valence cell. The electrons present in valence cell. Electrons present in valence cell. Electrons present in valence cell. Simply VS. Valence cell means VS. Present in valence cell are called valence electrons. Are called valence electrons. Are called valence electrons. You write down this. Okay. So when you understand valence cell, then next you can understand penultimate cell. What is penultimate cell? Penultimate cell means the cell before valence cell, cell before valence cell, or the cell which is next to valence cell, or the cell before. The cell before valence cell is called what? Penultimate cell. This is called penultimate cell. Penultimate cell. This is called what? Penultimate cell. So penultimate cell in the sense n minus 1 cell. That is not what? N minus 1 cell. Why? Because here the last cell is nth cell, no? Before nth cell means n minus 1. For example, this is n is equal to 4. N is equal to 4. N minus 1 means 3. So this is fourth cell, this is third cell. So fourth cell we call as valence cell. Before the valence cell, that is third cell, is called penultimate cell. Okay. Then before penultimate cell, that is called what? Anti-penultimate cell. These words are important. You have to remember. Anti-penultimate cell. So anti-penultimate cell is also called n minus 2 cell. This is also called n minus 2 cell. Why? Because anti-penultimate cell, which is present before penultimate cell. Penultimate cell present before valence cell. Okay, you write down. Then next point, the cell, you write down the cell before valence cell, VS means valence cell, is called penultimate cell. Is called what? Penultimate. Is called penultimate cell. Is called penultimate cell. This cell before valence cell is called penultimate cell. Okay, which is shown as n minus 1. Which is shown as n minus 1. That means n minus 1 cell. Which is shown as n minus 1. N minus 1 cell. Okay, I want to remove this. Have you completed this one? Okay, good. Let's see. One more point we discuss here. The cell before penultimate, cell is called anti-penultimate cell. Anti-penultimate cell. Okay, it is represented or it is shown as n minus 2. It is shown as n minus 2 cell. Okay, and one more point I write here. The electrons which are present in penultimate cell, nothing but PS means penultimate cell, and APS, anti-penultimate cell, are called core electrons. Are called core electrons. These are called core electrons. So the thing you try to remember, electrons present in valence cell are called valency electrons, you know, and whatever the electrons present in penultimate cell and anti-penultimate cell, such electrons are considered as core electrons. That means n-1 cell, see n-1 cell and n-2 cell electrons, both are called what? Core electrons. Later. Okay, for your clear understanding, once again, I give you atomic structure. See, nucleus. So the last cell, if it is last cell, this is nth cell, you know, nth cell, nothing but valence cell. So whatever the electrons present in valence cell, those are called valence electrons. See here, n-1 and n-2 cells. This is nothing but penultimate cell. PS. n-2 cell is APS, anti-penultimate cell. So, for example, electrons present in valence cell, these are called what? Valence electrons. These are called valence electrons. Okay. Here, electrons. If electrons are present, penultimate cell and anti-penultimate cell. These electrons collectively present in penultimate cell and anti-penultimate cell are called core electrons. Core electrons. Core electrons. So, as you know already, electrons are nothing but negative particles. Negative charged particles are nothing but electrons. Okay? Yeah. Lucky, have you written this? Completed this one? Okay. Right. Take your own time to write. Completed. Okay. After understanding valence cell, penultimate cell, and anti-penultimate cell, now we are going to understand the concept of electronic configuration. At your 8th standard, all these are the fundamental concepts of atomic structure. After able to understand these points, you are easy to understand the advanced topics in atomic structure. Okay. Then today our topic is what? Electronic configuration. Now you write electronic configuration. Electronic configuration. So what do you mean by electronic configuration? The word itself, it can gives out the meaning. Electronic configuration. Configuration in the sense arrangement. Configuration means arrangement. What we are going to arrange? Electrons. Electrons are arranged in which? That means in orbitals. We are going to arrange the what? Electrons in different orbitals. In accordance of their energies. You write down. the process of the process of the process of arrangement of the process of arrangement. It is nothing but configuration. The process of arrangement of electrons in different orbitals in different orbitals in different orbitals in accordance of increasing energy energies of their orbitals, increasing energy of their orbitals is called electronic configuration. Is called electronic configuration. Is called electronic configuration. So what do you mean by electronic configuration? That means here the process of arrangement of electrons in different orbitals as per their different energy levels. As per their different energy level. That's why that process is called what? Electronic configuration. So we are arranging the different electrons in different orbitals in accordance of the increasing energy or in accordance of increasing energies of the orbitals is called electronic configuration. So here one thing, what is that? At this level, somewhat it is difficult to understand electronic configuration, even though I can explain easily. Listen, how can you know the particular orbital is lower energy orbital, and how can you know the particular orbital is higher energy level? Means based on Euler diagram, you can understand which orbital is lower and which orbital is higher. So now I give you Euler diagram. You write down. To know the energies of orbitals to know the energies of orbitals, you can follow Euler diagram. Okay, I give you Euler diagram. With the help of this diagram, you can easily to understand which one is lower orbital, which one is higher orbital. First, you write. I note down these points. To know the energies of orbitals, different orbitals, or that you can follow Euler diagram. See what is Euler diagram means. See, 1s. In first cell we have 1s orbital. In second cell we have 2s subcell and 2p subcell. In third cell we have 3s, 3p, 3d. Just now I said no, 3s, 3p, 3d. Then in fourth cell we have 4s, 4p, 4d, 4a. Okay, like that. In fifth cell we have 5s, 5p, 5d, 5a. You know. So while writing this Euler, just you can cross over the orbitals like this. 1s, 2s. You can cross over this. Then in second step you can cross over 2 orbitals. In third step you can cross over 3 orbitals. That means here 5s, 5p, 5d, 5a is there. Here below 6s is there. Okay. See, to understand the energies of these orbitals, you can cross over like this, and this is tail, no, this is tail, this is head. You can interlink or you can connect head to next tail. Okay, you can connect head face to tail, and again you can connect head to tail like this, and you can connect head mark to tail. Okay, so that we can understand what is the different energy orbital. See, first 1s. Okay, this is lower orbital. After that, higher orbital is 2s. 1s, thereafter 2s, and thereafter what? 2p. Thereafter, which one comes? 3s. Thereafter, after 3s, which one comes? 3p. Thereafter, which one comes? 4s. Thereafter, which one comes? 3d. See, 4s connected to 3d. Thereafter, 4p. Thereafter, what is that 4p? 5s. Okay, like this, we can understand the energy orbitals from lower to higher. So here what happens when we move from left to right? What happens? Energies increases. Energies increases. Energies increases. Okay? Okay, Lucky. Have you understood this? Okay. See, whenever simple thing, I can repeat one more time. We are studying what? Electronic configuration. What do you mean by electronic configuration? That means arrangement of electrons in different orbitals as per their different order of their energies of orbitals. That means here we can understand which one is lower, which one is higher. That means electrons are filling first in lower orbitals like that 1s, and thereafter electrons are filling in 2s and followed by 2p, followed by 3s, followed by 3p. That means electrons are arranged or distributed from lower energy orbitals to higher energy orbitals. So which one is lower, which one is higher? How can you identify? How can you find out? That means with the help of Euler diagram. What is Euler diagram? You know, in first orbit we have only S subset. In second orbit we have two subsets, S and P, 2s, 2p. In third cell we have three subsets, 3s, 3p, 3d. Like that we have fourth orbit, in fourth cell we have four subsets, 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f. Okay. So to understand the order of energies, you can, what is that? You can strike like this. So first you can strike 1s, 2s. Okay. And thereafter you can strike 2 orbitals. And thereafter you can strike 3 orbitals. Okay. So just in this figure, what you are doing, see this face, nothing but what head. Head is, which is connected to tail. Here head is connected to tail. Head is connected to tail. By this you can understand which is lower orbital, which is higher. So the lower orbital is 1s. Electrons are goes into 1s orbital and followed by 2s and followed by 2p, followed by 3s, 3p, 4s. So here I write what is that order of increasing order of increasing energies of different orbitals. That means here 1s is lower energy orbital, then the 2s is lower energy than 2p, 2p is lower energy than 3s. So ultimately what happens when we move from left to right? What happens? Energies gradually increases. So in these orbitals, what happens? Electrons are filling first lower orbitals and followed by higher orbitals. Is a sequential order. Okay. So with this help of knowledge, we are going to understand quantum mechanics in higher classes. But at your 8th standard, this much of knowledge and information is enough. So let us stop here. The continuation and the remaining part we will continue tomorrow. Okay. Thank you. See you.